Pending bill, the next vote. And justify anything. Whatever you have, I'm going to send you away to work. Yes, it's one you. What's work? Yes, oh, what an answer is a disability. Was it only one? I'm going to go back to the teaching room. I'm going to go back to the teaching room. You pay. Then what is a great stress? It's good and home. But what I want to do that and it's called it. It's good. You just waste a lot of time. Yeah, no good at all again. Was I young and I don't want to hear? Or they can also see us and get the business movement. See us a video. It's a good one. Was all around the world. What's wrong with you? So they are doing governor. Why does he have? Tell the command. Why not? Why